So we are scalping, all right? We are scalping the 5 minutes time frame because this is where we can get the chance to get some quick results under just a short minutes. So I don't change strategies. I've heard someone saying that I don't change strategies. The strategy is the same. We draw trend lines, all right? Pure price action. We predict price and we put our shadows on areas. Simple as that. That is the whole strategy which we use here. All right, so I'm sure you know what kind of pattern this is. If you are a newbie, please go search on the market patterns and then you need to study them because that is all I use in my videos. If you haven't noticed, I use the chart patterns, all right? And then I make a sharp entry zone, as simple as that. Anyway, I went to the M15 so that I can see better because the M5 was kind of cloudy, so I couldn't see much. But if you come here, you can see. And then most traders would buy here. Am I not wrong? If you would buy here, put a comment, just a shout out. I want to see you. If you would buy here, I know you would buy, but it's a sell. Do you know why it's a sell? Because if you look on the outside, it was a downtrend already, so there was no way the price was just going to change direction just like that. So it's going to keep going down just like that, and then it might come back up just a little bit with a retest. But it was designed to do that, to trick all the new traders that when you get a pennant, it should buy. Well, I'll show you a scenario where it can buy, but for now you sell. So this is the point you would have thought that it would go up there, right? So you would have bought thinking that it's going to go up. Well, you would be wrong, all right? You would be wrong because there is a clear long downtrend and there was no way it was just going to immediately retest just like that. So from $50, we are in 319. We are in 319. We are going, guys. Anyway, we have recovered Trish's loss, which she had deposited yet. This is the right time if she would withdraw and take the money. But anyway, she wanted fast returns, so we would need every bit of the capital which we have. She's one of the most strong characters which I have seen because most of them, they would say, hell no, give me my capital back, give me, because I can afford to lose. But just like if you blow, we'll get another one and then we'll start again until we get it right. I was like, okay. Anyway, so yeah, this is what's going to happen. It's going to go down there. That's a rally, best rally. There's a lot of confluence to the left. You see the price, it struggled around that point and then it managed to break going upwards. So when it comes back to that point, it's going to struggle just a little bit there and then it will bounce back going up. So you wouldn't want to be caught astray and buy again, as I've told you. So don't buy when you see something like this. Don't buy just yet. There is the stop loss of the early buyers, so it would be you, because I know in this certain trade some people are busy buying and then they will get liquid blah 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 blah. What's the word again? liquidated. What's the word? It's out of my mouth. The vocabulary is out of my language. It's no longer available in my mouth. Anyway, we'll think about it. Please just can you spell it for me in the comment section? I'm having a difficult time here. Can you spell it for me? I'm sure you can just do great. Please spell it for me. Anyway, so we'll sell here and then we'll wait. So upon waiting here, we'll just wait. Right now we have profit. So anyway, when we have profit, that is closed. So the rules of our scalping here is that we close every bit of profit which we have. We don't necessarily have to hold that long, right? And at the same time, you don't have to hold just a little bit because you close in 5 cents and when you make a loss, you make like $1. So that won't make sense, all right? So this is one of the most confusing patterns ever to trade. Don't always go to attempt these kind of patterns because one day you will go wrong. They will not go to your favorite direction. So when you see these things, you really need to apply the details, all right? This is how you apply the details so that you make sure you don't go the wrong way. So you see I've been making these pivot points, right? Sort of a V, right? Then you go to the sharp points. So there's a sharp point pointing upwards and then there's a sharp point pointing downwards. Then together with this shadow zone, they will really make a strong support and demand zone. So which means they have to affect the next area of price, which is the current area, right? So the next thing which happens here is that price goes down to that area and then just retest a little bit. And after that, the price continues to go down. I'll show you another scenario where price will completely reverse after just touching that point. But here we have valid points because there's been a rally-based rally before the price is retested. So which means the price is retested in the 5-minute time frame, and this always happens in the 1-hour time frame. So don't be misled, all right? So we will sell full margin as it's gonna go down on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, I hope you do understand. But at the same time, don't quickly try to attempt these kind of patterns. You will go wrong most of the time. Always use the simpler ones. Those are the kind which can do you good. So when you're trading this, you really have to be mindful. You really have to look closely. So there was a W, right? There was a W there. So price is coming back to that area. Of course, it will retest and it has already retested. If you look closely, there's a previous candle besides the one which is forming right now. So that will be our giveaway to stay positive in the trade. So after our profit it fell, we have to close. Well, other thing I like about the reef is that the spread is super tight. Any small movement, boom, you're in profit. And at the same time, you can also do kaboom, you can also lose. Yeah, it's very simple and it's very nice. You have to test everything. You test to see which is working out. And then after doing this, it seems that it's not quite clear again. So you have to keep doing it again. You have to keep doing it more and more until you see a clear picture. The clear picture is what we want here. So another thing which we'll do here, we'll draw trend lines again to the immediate price which is forming at the moment, so that we can really see what's about to go here. And upon drawing, touching the higher points and the lower points, I still see something that I'm not quite sure of. I'm not certain, so I'm just gonna leave because I'm not certain. So I'm just gonna leave. We'll find other similar trades which we can see. And when you see something like, don't force it, just leave. Just leave. It's that simple. When something is going wrong like that, just leave. You don't necessarily have to force your way into the trade, because you end up blowing. So this was what I was waiting. When the price reaches somewhere there, then we can see something. But as of now, there is really nothing that we can work out, because it seems like this is ballistic. So there is really nothing. So we'll go to other volatility pairs to search. This is volatility 10-1S on the 5 minutes. It seems that we have something I like here, but anyway, let's test it out by drawing the trend lines. So by touching only the wicks, you will be able to see what kind of a pattern which you have. So the kind of trades like these are the ones which really try to go up and then down, but at the same time it's a bit confusing, because you really don't know which part it's at right now. Is it about to go up, or is it just going to go down? So this is what you do. You just put your setup like that, right? And after drawing a trend line and putting your shadows on area, price in this area, you have to take a guess, sort of a risk, because you never know if it starts going down or up. But what I know for sure definitely is that price will go up, because it's a W, so it will go up there, liquidate the early sellers, and then boom, it drops down. It always done that. If you watched most of my videos, I trade something similar like this. The price always does that. It goes up and then liquidates the early sellers and then drops. So the thing you need to do here, when you go for margin, you need to take note that price might retest just a little bit before going up to the rally base drop to the left there. In the previous video, we have had a trade like this and it went absolutely well, and we drowned in profit. So we are going to drown in profit again for this one, because definitely it goes up. Okay, so please just put some emojis, blow this candle for me in the comment section. Let it go up, my guys. Let it go up. So anyway, on this trade, it always goes up to the supply and demand zone, which is rally base drop. That is a strong selling point there. So the price cannot just go up and just break without doing anything. It has to also suffer just a little bit before doing anything. And don't forget, when you get something, close and then start again. So here I wanted to close so that I can pump it again, this time with more power. Poke that off, dump it. I hope it doesn't do that, because we have gone up from $50. We have gone up. If we were to stop now, it will be something, don't you think? So how many of you would want to stop here? Let me know how many of you would want me to stop here. Be honest. If it was you, would you tell me to stop here? Would you say, please stop now, I'll take my stop now? Would you do that? Would you tell me? Would you? Let's hear your opinion. Would you do it? As for me, nah, I'm too greedy. I want more. I'm too greedy. I want more until I blow the account. That's how much I need it, until I blow the account. If I don't blow, let's keep going. All right, because we need to use. We are behind stage. We need the money. We need to use it. We are behind time. All right. We need to pay for things. We need to eat the money. It has to cover a lot of things. All right.